Part of a high-speed sea trial is not only to see how fast the boat can go, but also to see if the engines will overheat, if you've got any problems with the turbocharger or the exhaust system. Here on this engine, turn on my flashlight, and you might be able to see right in there that we've got a little bit of soot coming out. There's a bellows inside of this insulated blanket, and that bellows takes the shimmy and the shake out of the engine moving back and forth and the stiff, rigid exhaust pipe overhead going outside the port side of the boat. Swinging around to the starboard engine, I want to point this out. This is what we noticed earlier when we were going to the haul out for the sea trial. See all of that black? Look at all that. That is dirty soot. And let me get in here closer and you can see, where's my finger? This is soot. This is exhaust soot leaking out. Yuck. Leaking out of that blanket. So that means that the bellows deep down inside that insulated blanket is leaking exhaust gas. So when I say it's leaking exhaust gas, it's leaking carbon monoxide, poisonous exhaust gas. And if you haven't figured it out yet, that door, the engine room door, goes back to the master stateroom in the aft part of the boat. This is a big 50-plus boat. It's got 2 generators, 2 propulsion engines, 1 washer and dryer, and 2 more staterooms forward. So we've got a lot of people living on this boat, and we've got some concerns with the exhaust leak there on the port engine, and also the exhaust leak over here on the starboard engine. If you want to learn more about sea trials, surveys, look us up on the internet. Ask for Captain Chris.